Plug into simplicity. Tap into amazing for easy, productive, and effective meetings. With Clickshare, you can transfer information to a shared main screen from any device. Connect. There's no software to download, no need for training, and no messy cables. It's easy to set up and use. Just plug in and you're good. Click. It's really as simple as that. Connect via any iOS and Android device. Simply press the button. Share. With less setup, every meeting starts on time. It's easier to discuss ideas when you share screens. Everyone can participate, and your meetings are more productive. The CSE 200 is all about collaboration in a multi-meeting room environment. Connect up to 16 people at once. The Full HD CSE 200 comes with configurable security levels and offers plenty of options for integration into the enterprise. Using the Clickshare app, built-in AirPlay receiver, or the button, multiple users can share their screens simultaneously. Connect and make meetings easier. Click and take the stress out of sharing. Share and make meetings more efficient. Plug into simplicity. Tap into amazing